trainer. Today we'll start with a series of some vocabulary words and phrases that are commonly used in the IELTS speaking. But before that, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get future notifications for all the videos. So let's start with our topic, and the topic is work. Before that, I will share a small story with you. When I completed my degree, I was called for an interview in a local college. I got selected for the post of an office assistant, and my job was to handle all the office correspondence. It was actually a 9 to 5 job. But after working for a few days, I realized that I'm stuck behind the desk. Moreover, this job was not what I actually wanted to do. I have always dreamt of being my own boss, and I also wanted to run my own business. And because one of the perks of being self-employed is that you have the freedom to do whatever you want to do. You're not answerable to anyone. So the very next day, I resigned from the post and I started my own business. So there are 5 phrases that are used in this particular story. And the first one is to be called for an interview. It means to be invited to appear for an interview. And the example sentence which I used in this story was that after completed my graduation, I was called for an interview in the local college. So I want that we should keep this session interactive. I also want to ask some questions from you, and I would really like that if you would answer these questions in the comment section. So the question related to it: have you ever been called for an interview? When it happened and how was your experience that time? And the second vocabulary word is to be your own boss, to run your own business, or to be self-employed. So the example sentence which I used in the story was, I have always dreamt of being self-employed. So my question now related to this phrase is, do you want to be self-employed or do you want to work as a normal 9 to 5 job? The third phrase is a 9 to 5 job. So it means a regular 8-hour job. And the example sentence which was used in this particular story was that the job which I joined, that is of the office assistant, was a 9 to 5 job. So let's share your experiences. Do you prefer a 9 to 5 job or do you want to be self-employed? And what are the perks of being self-employed and having a 9 to 5 job? Now this phrase perks will be discussed next. Now this fourth phrase is one of the perks of the job. It means the benefit of the job. So the example which was used in this particular story was, one of the perks of being self-employed is one has the freedom to take his own decisions. So what do you think the perks of a job are? Do you think it is something positive that you receive, or is it something negative? So these are the 5 phrases that are commonly used when we use this topic work in our IELTS speaking. So in the next series, we will cover 5 more vocabulary words and phrases that come under the same category, that is work. So please don't miss those videos and leave a like on this video if you really like the content. And I will always welcome your queries and suggestions in the comment section. And also please don't forget to answer the questions which I've asked today. Thank you everyone.